Jai Jhulelal.
Okay, I am Kamal Tolia. I am a Sindhi and I'm married to a Gujarati. Today we are going to talk about Reiki and its benefits, and we have been asked to explain what is Reiki. So Reiki is a Japanese word. It means universal life force. It's a healing energy, and it was introduced to the world by a Japanese man called Mikao Usui about 150 years ago. Now Reiki is the universal life force which is present everywhere. The difference between a man who's alive and a man who's dead is that there is no life force in that man who's dead. So that is Reiki. Reiki is the life force that is keeping us all alive. All living things, plants, animals, people, human beings, everybody has got Reiki, and that's what keeps us alive. Now when we are small and when we are born, the Reiki energy in us is perfect and we are very healthy. But as we grow older, due to stress, due to bad lifestyle, due to wrong eating habits, due to negative thinking, and so on, there are blocks that are created in our body, and because of that, Reiki cannot pass. And when Reiki cannot reach certain parts of our body, they become ill. And when they become ill, we have to take medicines. So this is how Reiki helps us, because it is a drugless therapy, no medicines, no needles, no dressings, no nothing, only a beautiful healing energy which we get, and as we are trained, we can heal with our hands. And this is what we would like to do in Mumbai and in Vrindavan when we are coming there. The reason we are coming to India is as a way of giving back to the society for my existence on this earth for 70 years. I decided I would like to share this beautiful knowledge and this beautiful therapy with the elderly people of Vrindavan and Mumbai. I think Monica will now tell us more about how it will help them.
Thank you, Kamal. As she mentioned, my name is Monica Gokaldas from Nairobi, and I'm going to talk a bit more about what Kamal has already told you about Reiki. Reiki is a healing energy and it helps you at various levels: mental, physical, emotional, as well as spiritual. Now you'll be wondering how. Well, Reiki energy is, since it's coming from God's source, it has just the pure energy within it. And the Reiki healer knows how to flow out that energy through the hands. A Reiki healer receives the energy and is capable of passing it on to them, to his or her own self and to others. And once we do Reiki on someone, or when you do Reiki on yourself, the energy enters your body. It enters your body, it enters every little cell of your body. And wherever it's required, it starts the healing process. So if someone is very agitated, frustrated, it starts calming one down. And little ailments, like you say, a headache, a toothache, is just the matter of placing the hands like this on the hurt area, the head, and the pain is gone in few minutes. Sometimes you might need to do the therapy again, second time, third time, and it goes away. There are constant problems like a knee ache or a backache. With repeated practice of Reiki on oneself, the pains really reduce. We have seen very good experience with a lot of people who continue to practice Reiki every day of their life, and they are able to continue doing things so well. Some cases, yes, medicines are needed. You need to take the medicines, but again, Reiki plays its very important role over there too, because once you receive a Reiki energy, it complements your medicines as well, because It's a calming energy, it's a pure energy. It helps you to be comforted, it helps you to sleep better, it helps your digestive system. And when you are eating well, when you are smiling, you are not agitated, you are not worried. Reiki reduces your worry as well, yeah. So when you are not worried, when you are not angry and not thinking too much about your illness, definitely it is going to help you. And the medicines also will work better when you are calmer and when you are willing to help your own self. So, am I right about it, Kamal?
Yes.
Would you like to add something?
Yes, you are right. And especially as you grow older, the Reiki energy in you becomes less anyway as you've grown older. So if you get a Reiki treatment or you know how to do it on yourself, you replenish the energy and you can look after yourself. You will not need so many visits to the doctors because you'll be sleeping well, you'll be eating well, and you may even be dancing well. Okay? This is what Reiki does, and there is no negative side effects of Reiki. It always has a beneficial result. It never ever makes anybody worse than what they are. So it's always a positive thing, and we have taught more than 3,000 people all over the world as a Seva. We have been doing this for 13 years. When I say we, it is Monica and myself and a whole group of people all over the world, Reiki healers. We are called the Lotus Healing Seva Group, and we have been training people in Reiki training camps from the slums, the old and the elderly, the sick, the disabled, and all disadvantaged sections of the society. We have been teaching them, of course, free of charge as a Seva, and we are very happy to say that, as I said, more than 3,000 people have been trained in this and are able to look after themselves without being a burden to the society and to the government, because they keep much better. We even have a case of a blind man who can now see, and that's our best result, who is able to see, who was declared blind. He has a letter he carries with him that he is blind, and the doctors had told him he will never ever see. So these are the wonders of Reiki, and we are so looking forward to coming there and helping our Sindhi widows and the senior citizens in helping themselves. We will be doing a similar thing, similar Seva in Vrindavan before we come to Mumbai, and with 2 ashrams there for the widows again. And I am sure it will be the best gift you can give to yourself in this day and age where health has deteriorated so fast that people are dying of all kinds of diseases which were never there before. So this is a beautiful gift you can give to yourself, and I would urge everybody to try it. I think it's something that one should not go through life without. So I think that is what I would say. Anything you can add?
Yeah, I was also asked, what is the reason, why are we going? As Kamal mentioned, yes, she's completed 70 years on this earth. So that's her celebration of her birthday by doing Seva. And that's my birthday gift to my dear friend Kamal,
Okay.
that I wish to join her as well, primarily. And secondly, also because this is our Hindu culture, our Sindhi culture, that we must look after and care for our elders. So in all senior citizens, I see my parent figures, and I would very much want to give them that love and affection of Reiki and the unconditional love that comes with it. So, and that's my gratitude to God that we have you people with us today, and we want to help you. We want to get blessings from you by giving Reiki to you.
Okay, yeah.
Kamal, would you like to add something now?
Yes, just thank you for giving us this opportunity and trusting us. You don't know us, but you've still allowed us to come and be a part of your life for this time. So we are very, very grateful. I think that's all I
That's
can
it,
say.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Namaste to
Namaste.
everybody.
Thank you.
And thank you.
Jai Jhulelal.
Jai Jhulelal. And we will be seeing you all soon. Thank you.
Thank you.